pictures, telling me how beautiful I look and stuff like that. And the messages, he was like, "You're cute," and I'm like, "You're cute," and I'm just like, "Let's get you together." We went on our first date in December of 2020. We went bowling. My first impression of Tymer was that he was really down to earth, like a very caring man. Tymer described Rodney as his younger, annoying brother that he loved. He would do anything for Rodney. The first time that I got on the phone with Tymer, Rodney came into the room and pretty much did say, "Shut up, bitch," pretty much. And I was just like, "Who are you talking to? I don't have to shut up." And Rodney told me, "I will be out you." Rodney was definitely one of them boys that I would say I stayed away from. Rodney loved guns. He made it very clear that that was the life that he lived and the life that he loved to live. You never know what a person could do.
As he had gotten older, he was not a person you would really want to be around. Rodney didn't care about nobody but Rodney.
I think the whole family felt as if Rodney did have a problem. I believe that if you mix with the wrong people, bad things